Step into the realm of Lumen Spiritus, the light of spirit, a channel dedicated to exploring spirituality and the esoteric. Join us on a journey of enlightenment and discovery as we delve into the mysteries of the unseen. In this video, we unveil the secrets behind the 10 basic laws of the universe. Discover the profound significance of these principles in shaping our reality and igniting personal growth. This video is filled with intriguing and thought-provoking facts, so don't hesitate to hit pause or to watch it again. Plus, you'll find additional insights, book links, and our top 10 videos from Lumen Spiritus in the video description below for further exploration. Have you ever wondered why the universe functions the way it does? Why some days seem to overflow with joy and others are steeped in challenges? What if I told you that the universe operates under a set of fundamental laws? Laws that govern not just the physical world, but our thoughts, emotions, and experiences too. These are the universal laws, timeless principles that shape our reality and guide our journey through this vast cosmos. They're the invisible threads weaving together the fabric of existence, from the atom to the galaxy, from the flicker of an idea to the surge of emotion. They're the keys to understanding the dance of creation and the rhythm of life. So, buckle up and prepare to dive deep into the mysteries of existence. Let's start this journey by unveiling each law one by one. First up, we have the law of attraction. This law proposes that like attracts like. For example, if you harbor positive thoughts and emotions, you'll attract positive experiences into your life, and vice versa. It's like tuning a radio. Your frequency determines the station you're tuned into, so if you want to change the music, you need to change your frequency. Next, we have the law of cause and effect, also known as karma. This law states that every action has a corresponding consequence. It's a cosmic cause and effect chain, where our moral and ethical choices today can influence our circumstances tomorrow, or even in future lifetimes. Then, we have the law of vibration. This law suggests that everything in the universe is in constant motion, vibrating at unique frequencies. It's like a cosmic dance where similar vibrations attract each other. This law explains why we often feel drawn to people or situations that resonate with our energy. Moving on, we come to the law of correspondence. This law proposes that the patterns and dynamics observed in one level of existence are mirrored in other levels. It's as though the universe is a great hologram, where every piece contains the whole picture. Next up is the law of divine oneness. This law asserts that everything in the universe is interconnected and part of a unified whole, originating from a single divine source. It's like a giant cosmic web, where each thread is connected to every other thread, and a tug on one thread affects the entire web. The sixth law is the law of polarity. This law states that everything has its opposite, and these opposites are complementary rather than opposing forces. It's like the yin and yang symbol, where light and dark, positive and negative, exist together in harmony, each containing a bit of the other. Then we have the law of rhythm. This law observes that everything in the universe operates in cycles, with periods of expansion and contraction, growth and decline, ebb and flow. It's like the changing of the seasons, the waxing and waning of the moon, or the rising and setting of the sun, reminding us that life is a constant dance of change. Next, we encounter the law of resonance. This law suggests that objects and beings emit energetic frequencies that can influence and resonate with other frequencies, leading to sympathetic vibrations. It's like when a guitar string is plucked, and the corresponding string on a nearby guitar starts to vibrate as well, even without being touched. The ninth law is the law of mentalism. This law proposes that the universe is fundamentally mental in nature, with consciousness or mind being the underlying source of all creation and existence. It's as if the universe is a grand dream dreamt by a divine mind, and we are all characters in that dream. Finally, we have the law of unity. This law asserts that despite the apparent diversity and multiplicity in the universe, there is an underlying unity and coherence to all existence. It's like a grand cosmic orchestra, where each instrument plays a different note, yet together they create a harmonious symphony. Understanding these laws is the first step towards aligning ourselves with the natural flow of the universe. Did you know these universal laws have deep roots in ancient wisdom? Delving into the annals of time, we find that these laws resonate with the teachings of ancient Hermetic philosophy. the Hermetic principles, attributed to the mythical figure Hermes Trismegistus, echo the insights we've been exploring. Consider the law of mentalism, the belief that the universe is fundamentally mental in nature. This aligns closely with the Hermetic principle of mentalism, which states, the universe is mind, the universe is mental. Both emphasize the centrality of consciousness in shaping reality. Similarly, the law of correspondence finds a mirror in the Hermetic principle of correspondence, encapsulated in the phrase, as above, so below, as below, so above. The idea is that patterns repeat across different levels of existence, from the smallest atom to the vast cosmos. The law of vibration too finds a parallel in the Hermetic principle of vibration, affirming that everything is in constant motion. This principle asserts that the differences between different manifestations of matter, energy, mind, and even spirit result largely from varying rates of vibration. The law of polarity, which recognizes that everything has its opposite, resonates with the Hermetic principle of polarity. This principle states, everything is dual, everything has poles, everything has its pair of opposites. It underscores the existence of duality within a unified whole, a concept also reflected in the law of divine oneness. The law of rhythm, observing the cyclical nature of existence, mirrors the Hermetic principle of rhythm, which acknowledges the ebb and flow prevalent throughout the universe. It's fascinating to see these ancient Hermetic principles reflected in our understanding of the universal laws. Hermeticism, a school of thought dating back over 2,000 years, continues to influence contemporary spiritual thought and our interpretations of these laws. So you see, these universal laws are not just modern concepts, but are deeply rooted in ancient wisdom. Now you might be wondering, how can I apply these laws in my everyday life? This is where the rubber meets the road, and these abstract concepts become practical tools. Understanding the law of attraction, for instance, can help us focus our thoughts and emotions on what we want to manifest in our lives, rather than on what we fear or want to avoid. This practice of intentional thinking can lead to more positive life experiences. The law of cause and effect, or karma, reminds us that our actions have consequences. By making ethical choices and treating others with kindness, we can contribute to a cycle of positivity in our lives and beyond. The law of vibration, on the other hand, can guide us in cultivating positive energy and high vibrational states, such as love, joy, and peace. This can have a profound impact on our well-being and the quality of our interactions with others. The law of correspondence can assist us in recognizing patterns in our lives, helping us make connections and gain insights that we might otherwise miss. Finally, the laws of divine oneness, polarity, rhythm, resonance, mentalism, and unity can help us cultivate a holistic perspective, fostering a deep sense of connection with the universe and our place within it. By understanding and applying these laws, we can become more aligned with the universe and bring about positive change in our lives. We've only scratched the surface in this video, trying to explain the 10 basic laws that govern our universe, from the law of attraction to the law of unity, and explored their practical applications in our daily lives. Consider aligning with universal principles like the law of attraction to attract more positive aspects into your life. Set positive intentions, visualize goals, and take proactive steps. Embrace accountability for actions, fostering personal growth and fulfillment. When it comes to the useful literature, we recommend The Kybalion by 3 Initiates. This classic text explores Hermetic principles, including the concept of the 7 Hermetic principles, which align closely with many universal laws. It offers profound wisdom on how these principles shape reality and can be applied to improve our lives. Remember, the universe is always speaking to us, and understanding its laws is the first step towards listening. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and let's continue this conversation. There is a plethora of fascinating and mind-bending topics coming to our channel, so don't forget to subscribe to Lumen Spiritus and hit the notification bell for even more captivating mysteries. Stay tuned for our next video.